Just going to tackle a really quick and simple job today. I've got about an hour spare before I need to go and do something else. So I'm going to try and take out the water heater. Here it is. It looks relatively easy to get out. So this is obviously the outlet going off to the taps and things. This is inlet from the pump there. And we've got a simple switch block connector, which I've already disconnected, and then it's just mounted on these rather Heath Robinson rails, but it doesn't look too tricky to get out. Let's go for it. I've disconnected the pipes here and here, and this is it screwed to the floor, right? The floor is rotten. Easy. All right, we've got the other two benches out, and it's nowhere near as damp on this side, so that's really good news. I mean, there's a bit of damp in the wall there, but I think that might be just where the boards were sitting. There's some bed boards sitting there that I've just got damp behind them. Because these units aren't bad at all. We'll be able to use these as templates. And as you see, the floor is pretty dry under there as well. Good news.